Welcome to In A Cake and Cookies. When mango season arrives, every dessert feels a little more special. Today I am making a creamy mango ice cream with a rich homemade texture, juicy mango flavor, and delightful nutty bites in every scoop. Let's start the recipe. Take 2 cups milk in a pan and bring it to a gentle boil. Homemade mango ice cream is a favorite summer treat across South Asia. Add 3 bread slices and 1/4 cup sugar. Bread is a clever ingredient that helps create a creamy ice cream texture. Stir until the bread softens completely and blends into the milk. Turn off the heat and allow the mixture to cool down fully. Now pour it into a blender. Add 1 cup fresh mango pieces, 2 teaspoons milk powder, blend until silky smooth and creamy. Mango is often called the king of fruits in many parts of the world. Transfer the mixture into a mold. Spread some mango pieces and pistachios on top for extra flavor and texture. Pistachios add both crunch and natural color to dessert. Cover the mold with foil. Place it in the freezer for 6 to 8 hours until perfectly set. Once frozen, scoop, serve, and enjoy the taste of summer in every bite. Mangoes provide vitamin C and natural sweetness. Milk contributes calcium and protein. Adding fruit makes dessert more flavorful naturally. This creamy mango ice cream is proof that simple ingredients can create something truly special. If you make this recipe, tell me which mango variety you follow In A Cake and Cookies for more homemade desserts, summer treats, and easy recipes.